Isn't this a good looking bag? This is a Radius Mini by Inside Line Equipment. So they make a lot of different bags. This one, however, is kind of a one-off that I got from their one-off or sample sale that they tend to run every now and then. The standard version you can order with a whole bunch of fabrics from Cordura to VX. The wax canvas version, I don't think they have that on the regular site regularly, but they may do. Anyway, I picked this one up. This is just a great little bag, right? Wax canvas is one of those materials that I think you really should at least get one bag to experience this. It's very different. It has this, rough but not quite rough look. It will age as you use it. You will crease it, and you will get these patterns on the front. And it really kind of gets lived in and customized and personalized to your use, which is great. And wax canvas, it's kind of heavy. It feels heavy. It is a little heavier. So having it in a small bag like this really, really makes sense. So this is the, as I said, Radius Mini. It's really a minimalist kind of bag, but if you don't need to carry a lot of stuff, it just works, right? And this one actually fits a 16-inch laptop. So you can actually carry your work stuff and still have room for other things. I'm going to throw this back of the bag up here, but obviously it is a small bag and it's just a good looking bag. So let me run through it quickly. The way the Radius Mini design is that there is a front pocket, right? You can hear very smooth zippers, and this only goes down to here. So because the idea is if you have stuff falling to the bottom, you can't get to it anyway. And this is a generously sized pocket. The bag itself is just as a pocket, so I have in here a pouch that I keep my items in there, but they actually sell a organizer that fits perfectly in here, and that one will give you a little bit of organization, like little slots and pockets as well. So you can get that or use your own pouch. This is a pouch from Sea Tactical from Vietnam. Great pouch. So that is, let me put this back here. That is the front, right? Very efficient. On the sides, there are water bottle pockets. This is a small bag, so you shouldn't expect to fit a lot of things in here. Now, if you really push it, my 200 liter Yeti does fit, but it is kind of tight, but it fits. And because it's tight, chances of it falling out, I'm not gonna try too hard, but it's probably less. So it works if you need it. Great zipper. These are, I think they're actual aqua guard, but minimally they are water resistant. So bag just kind of opens up, very simple, right? This behind this is the front admin pocket. There is a laptop sleeve that fits, surprisingly, a 16-inch MacBook Pro. So this guy, it's quite useful for such a small bag. Now, the pocket, I think technically is suspended, but honestly, I can feel it in the bottom, right? It's suspended by a single piece of fabric, and the bottom is not padded, although the back edge of the back panel is padded. So I am not sure if you would want to put an expensive laptop in here if you are not careful with your items. You could also just use a additional sleeves and then put the sleeves in here. I think that would be a safer choice. And then another organization pocket up front. Again, very useful to keep some items up top for easy access. And then the rest of it is just a big roomy compartment. I'm a pouch guy, so this is a Tom Bin pouch. As you can see, it is reasonably deep, and you can just put whatever you need in there. So just a very good looking and actually really functional small bag. So if you don't need to carry a lot, this is a great way to carry your stuff around. And again, usually I would put this inside as long as I have stuff in there to keep it upright, and this give it a much sleeker look. Simple webbing as a top handle. Again, with a small bag like this, you don't need something that's really big, but it works. Back panel, good mesh. The straps are thin, but they're very comfortable, right? They're flexible. Again, good air mesh in the back. Sternum strap, which I'm not sure you actually need, but if you need it, keep it on. If not, they're totally removable. There's enough webbings in here that again, you can customize it to clip other things on it. So honestly, I just really like this bag. Simple, good looking. If I need to carry not a lot of things, this is the bag that I reach for. The Radius Mini by ILE.